Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate DCA strategy with Kraken easy tutorial step by step clearly. To activate the DCA strategy with Kraken, start by visiting the Kraken website. Log in to your Kraken account using your credentials. If you don't have an account, create one by following the on-screen instructions to complete the registration process. Once logged in, navigate to the Funding tab in the main menu. Select the cryptocurrency you wish to purchase using the DCA strategy. Make sure you have deposited funds into your account before proceeding. After selecting your cryptocurrency, click on the Trade tab. Choose New Order and select Market Order to buy at the current market price. Now, set your order size according to your budget and plans for dollar cost averaging. Next, determine your investment schedule. Decide how frequently you want to make your purchases daily, weekly, or monthly. With your schedule in mind, set up recurring buy orders. Click on the manual or recurring option based on what suits your needs. Enter the specific amounts and intervals for your recurring purchases. Review your settings and confirm the creation of your DCA orders. Once set, you can monitor your DCA strategy from your account dashboard. Now you'll be able to take advantage of price fluctuations over time. Adjust your settings if needed based on market conditions or personal preferences. This completes the activation of your DCA strategy with Kraken. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.